Aquarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. And if you're interested in private reading, naka 30% discount tayo. So you can just book for a reading. Yung link nasa description. So, yung 30% discount hanggang March 20 lang yan. Okay. So, let's see, Aquarius. What is up next 2 weeks? 11th house, which is about community, networking. So, maaring mas lalabas kayo ngayon, no? Going out to connect with other people. Pagiging parte ng isang community, ng isang grupo na merong kayong layunin, no, na pareho kayo ng mga interes. Yung iba naman sa inyo may mga charitable work na gagawin. Iba yung volunteer na tumulong sa community or sa mga charitable institutions. Okay, let's see what else. The 6th house, which is about your work. Oo, yung time management, yung health ninyo. So, some of you, isa rin sa bibigyan nyo ng focus attention ay ang inyong kalusugan. So, you are going to balance also your chakras. Yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng mga healing sessions, no? Let's see, ano pa. You have the 8th house. Puro different houses. 8th house is about your investment. So, maaring iba sa inyo papasok sa isang investment, no? Or meron kayong aasikasuhin related sa investments ninyo, stock market, cryptocurrency, and also some businesses. Kasi 8th house is other people's money. So, maaring kayo ay may mga business transactions, investments na papasukin in the next 2 weeks. Some of you naman, maaring may mga pwedeng magiging active kayo sexually if you are connecting with someone, okay, in the next 2 weeks. Let us see your overall energy. You have that Temperance. Ayan. So, medyo kayo ngayon, maingat sa mga ikikilos ninyo. Hindi kayo basta-basta susugod ng hindi kayo nag-iisip. Ganon. Kumbaga, parang you want to be prepared kapag ikaw ay pupunta sa isang labanan. Syempre, para may high chance na manalo ka. And some of you are also focusing on your mental health. Oo. Kasi part rin yan ng inyong kalusugan na bibigyan nyo ng focus, ng attention. So, this is your challenge. So, yung iba, kung kayo ay may travel in the next 2 weeks, possible magkaroon ng challenging situation. So, just make sure na prepared ka sa travels mo. And be more patient, lalo na pag may mga delayed flights o kaya may na-delay na na sasakyan or travel na yung travel body mo. Kaya you need a lot of patience. Some of you naman, kung meron kayong inaasikasong loans, like especially car loan, maaring magkaroon ng challenges dyan. Okay? Pero, kahit na may challenges, kaya mo naman tong malagpasan. Okay? Kaya mas maganda na kalma ka lang, kalmado ka lang when you are facing challenges. So let's see your opportunity. You have the Two of Cups. So opportunities for partnership. Pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang romantic connection. Yung iba naman, magiging open na kayo sa pakikipag-date. Yung iba naman sa inyo, merong business partnership na papasukin. This makes sense with the 8th house kasi this is about investments. And also, pagdating din sa romantic connection, maaring parang maging mabilis ang mga pangyayari, no? Oo, especially kung nagsisimula pa lang yung relationship, pwedeng mauwi agad to sa intimacy. Okay? Your blessing is the 7 of Swords. Whoever, kung sino man ang hindi totoo sa'yo, no? Be it sa relationship, sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, marireveal yan in the next 2 weeks. So, kaya malalaman mo kung sino yung taksil. Sino yung honest sa'yo. Kasi maaring meron dito na maayos siyang, pag nakaharap siya sa'yo, maayos siyang kausap. Pero pag nakatalikod ka na, pwedeng sinisiraan ka sa iba, ganon. So, malalaman mo yan kung sino yung tao na yan para maiwasan mo na. 'Di ba? So, let's see your money, career, finances. You have the 8 of Cups. Ooh. Leaving a situation. Okay. So, meron kang i-explore. Pagdating sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. Yung iba, pwedeng susubok kayo ng pagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa or malayo sa dati nyong pinagtatrabahuhan. Pwede kasing kayo ay ma-assign sa ibang probinsya or sa ibang bansa. But this is definitely going to be productive for you. Mas positibo yung outcome nito sa'yo. Kasi mas magdadagdag to sa'yo ng income. Mas magkakaroon ka ng stability dito. Some of you kasi, hindi lang sa pagiging kontento sa sinesweldo, no? But also yung fulfillment mo sa ginagawa mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Yun yung importante sa inyo. So, yun yung hahanapin nyo ngayon. And eventually, mahahanap nyo yan. Lalo na, desidido talaga kayo, no? Parang you want a new experience. You want stability in your finances. Kumbaga, hindi yung yung meron kang inaasahan tuwing kinsenas katapusan, hindi ganung klaseng income. So for you, you want financial stability na tipong kahit hindi ka magtrabaho ng 1 taon, meron ka pa rin kikitain. Ganon. So yun yung focus mo. Magkaroon ng stability sa yung career, sa finances. Pagdating naman sa relationship, you have the 5 of Pentacles. You have the Death card. And the Queen of Swords. Okay, napakalinaw ng message sa inyo, Aquarius. Like what I mentioned kanina, no? May blessing sa inyo. Ang blessing dito is yung i-reveal yung totoong tao sa inyo. May i-reveal sa inyo na cheating, panloloko ng isang tao. But for some of you, this is related to your relationship. Maaring meron ditong ika-cut off mo sa buhay mo kasi you feel like this person is hindi totoo sa'yo. Pwedeng you are dealing with someone na yung material benefits lang ang dahilan kaya nagsistay siya sa relationship kasi maaring mahilig kang magregalo or you are providing for this person. I also see someone na pwedeng mang-ghost. So, pwedeng the person that you're dealing with or ikaw. I-ghost mo na lang siya. Elevate. You get what you believe you deserve. It's time to raise your standards. See? You are raising your standards, Aquarius. Kung alam mo na itong person na ka-deal mo hindi ka pinapahalagahan, you are going to cut that off. 'Di ba? Palalayain mo yung sarili mo. If beating yourself up worked, you'd be thin, rich, and happy. Try loving yourself instead. Yes. You will love yourself first. Palalayain mo yung sarili mo sa limitations. May freedom for you. And I think ito yung transformation, especially sa relationship, para sa inyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye!